Yeah. Yeah.
I think you got to have that big drive, and be a self-starter. There's certainly a lot of different qualities that make up successful athletes and successful traders, and there are a lot of different ways to get there. But as you see in sports, sometimes the folks who've been there and been on the top for a while, they start to, not be so dominant, and you get these younger folks who are hungry and eager and, willing to do whatever it takes. And I think early on, especially, that kind of desire and drive is important. I think it really helps to be sort of a numbers, pattern, puzzle tinkerer kind of a person, where you like to figure things out, because with trading, there's a lot of that, putting puzzle pieces together, versus being someone who might be a little more shoot from the hip and not at all detail oriented. There have been a lot of studies that have shown women being exceptionally good traders, much better than men, and I could see that, for a lot of different reasons and traits that they have. But I think if you can focus, then you can really learn just about anything. But without the focus, it's pretty difficult to learn any new skill.